and I really appreciate that because I've been so busy with this. Honestly, I've been here every day. And aside from this, I also have other things. I'm not saying that KD doesn't have, but he never forgets about me, like to check on me. Things that, it's actually the small things, like asking how am I, what food can he send over to make my day or to make my day better. So I guess it's in those small things na nakikip talaga yung romance.
He's the more romantic one, or pareho naman kayo?
Well, I think we both are naman in our own ways, but when I'm too busy with work, medyo yung mind ko nag-focus talaga, nagla-lock in talaga siya with what I have to think about every day. So during those times, he gives the 80% and I give the 20%. And when it's him naman who's busy, I'll give everything I can and he'll supply the rest.
We'll see him at the
Hi
show.
everyone, I'm Alexa Ilacad, inviting you all to catch Liwanag sa Dilim in theaters starting March 7th. I'm so excited. I mean, everybody works so hard at this. As in, hindi nyo lang alam kung gano'ng mahirap or gano'ng grabe pinagdaanan namin, lalo na naman sa ng ibang mga leads to make this happen. So I'm so excited for the people to finally see this product of love. Sigado na ba? Sigado na for that coming out? Kasi ako magsushow tonight, kaya chill lang ako eh. Pero feeling ko tomorrow, of course, everything sure, the nerves are gonna start kicking. Baka na dito matulog tonight. So tomorrow pa na ang schedule? Tomorrow is my opening. Sobrang kabado na. I'm excited at the I'm trying not to let the nerves take over me. So I'm trying to be pretty chill, but I know na once I feel the vibe of the audience, magkaka-adrenaline rush na talaga ng mga. I'm just praying for the best, looking for the best. I wish everything goes smoothly lang. Alright. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you naman. Sana makawatch kayo sa preview namin.
3 p.m. Friday.
Yeah, Friday.
And ibang Alexa, makita nyo dito kasi sobrang hardworking siya. Grabe. As in, give the give.
Never enough giving time. Alright.